Drop the foam roller right now. If you are waking up with stiff hips, an aching lower back, and shoulders that feel like they are packed with rust, everything you have been told about stretching and foam rolling is actually keeping you in pain. You think your muscles are just tight from getting older or from lifting heavy in the gym, but that tightness isn't the problem. It is a warning siren. Your body is deliberately clamping your muscles shut because your joints are weak. Stretching doesn't fix that. Foam rolling doesn't fix that. But the ancient Shaolin monks knew exactly what did. These guys built decades of raw, unbreakable strength without ever touching a barbell or grinding through endless reps. Today, I am giving you the exact two-step Shaolin static hold system you can use right now to hotwire your nervous system, unlock your trapped strength, and permanently fix that joint pain. Let's get into it. The real reason you are stiff and weak. To understand why this ancient secret works, we have to look at why your current workout is failing you. We are conditioned to believe that strength only comes from movement. More reps, heavier loads, pushing through the burn. But every heavy set you push through is causing micro damage to your joints. When your nervous system senses that your joints are becoming unstable, it goes into full survival mode. It forcefully tightens the surrounding muscles to act like a cast, protecting the joint from further damage. So, when you aggressively stretch those tight hips, you are fighting your own nervous system. It might feel better for an hour, but the tightness always comes right back because you haven't solved the instability. To fix the tightness, you have to prove to your brain that the joint is safe. You don't do that by tearing muscle fibers with heavy weights. You do that by building profound neuromuscular control. And that is exactly what isometric training or static holding does. Hold 1. The horse stance. The first movement targets the lower body. It is designed to cure stiff hips and heavy legs. In martial arts, it's known as the horse stance. It bypasses the wear and tear of heavy squats and forces your brain to build deep, stabilizing control in your hips, knees, and ankles. Here is exactly how you do it. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width apart. Turn your toes out slightly. Now, slowly sink your hips down, exactly as if you were about to sit on a chair that isn't there. Keep your chest up proudly and your back completely flat. Push your knees outward so they track perfectly in line with your toes. Now, you just hold. No bouncing, no shifting. Absolute stillness. You are signaling to your nervous system that you have complete control over this range of motion. Once your brain realizes you are stable, it will release the chronic tightness in your hips. Do not overdo this on day 1. Here is your progression protocol. Week 1, 20 seconds. Maintaining a flat back and proud chest. Week 2, 35 seconds, pushing the knees outward over the toes. Week 3, 60 seconds. Complete unwavering stillness and control. Hold 2, the bear crawl hold. While the horse stance bulletproofs your lower half, we need to rebuild the upper body and core. Enter the bear crawl hold. This looks almost too simple, and most gym goers walk right past it. That is a massive mistake. Most traditional workouts only hit your surface muscles, your outer shoulders, your traps, your biceps. But underneath those are deep stabilizing muscles that actually hold your spine and shoulder blades in place. For most of us, these deep stabilizers have completely shut down. When they aren't firing, every heavy lift you do lands on a weak foundation. That is where chronic shoulder and back pain starts. The bear crawl hold skips the surface muscles entirely. It forces the deep stabilizers in your shoulders, spine, and hips to fire at the exact same time. Get down on your hands and knees. Place your hands directly under your shoulders and your knees directly under your hips. Press down firmly through your palms. Brace your stomach and lift your knees exactly 1 inch off the ground. Keep your back completely flat. You should be able to balance a glass of water on your spine. Keep your eyes looking straight down at the floor between your hands. And just stay there. It will start to burn in places you didn't know existed. Here is your protocol for the upper body. Week 1, 15 seconds, keeping the knees only 1 inch off the floor. Week 2, 25 seconds, pressing the floor away firmly with the hands. Week 3, 40 seconds, total bodily tension with 0 shaking. The takeaway: you don't need a gym. You don't need a single piece of equipment. You just need these 2 holds, done correctly and consistently. Start with whichever hold feels the hardest. If your legs are shaking uncontrollably in the horse stance, your lower body foundation is weak. If your shoulders are screaming in the bear crawl, Your upper body foundation is weak. Stop tearing your body down to build it up. Start training your nervous system. Build your foundation from the inside out and unlock the strength you already have. Hit the like button if this video helped you rethink your training. Subscribe for more ways to build bulletproof strength, and I will see you in the next one. Keep training smart.